Is it okay to believe again? Can the rally really continue? Well, we've got the latest on that from the guys over at Bitwise. It may be okay to dream again, guys. They've got some reasons why this year could have a great rally for the cryptocurrency markets. We've got the Bitcoin charts. We got the Solana charts. We got the stock charts. We got the latest on what's going on with Zcash and much more. We gotta get into it, guys, because we have got a lot to cover in today's video. So let's go.
Let's take a deeper dive into Grok and the revolutionary Grok crypto. This crypto is equipped with advanced AI-driven tools designed to streamline market analysis, enabling users to spot opportunities more effectively and improve their overall investment strategies. Grok harnesses the combined power of quantum computing and artificial intelligence, offering unmatched scalability, top-tier security, and exceptional energy efficiency for block validation and network governance. The platform also features AI-driven dynamic tokenomics, which automatically adjusts the crypto supply and rewards to maintain stability and encourage user participation. By integrating quantum computing with AI, Grok significantly enhances market prediction capabilities, helping users make smarter, data-driven investment decisions. Additionally, Grok's AI quantum oracles provide real-time, tamper-proof data for blockchain applications, while its quantum AI-based identity verification ensures secure and private transactions through advanced encryption technologies. The early sale for this groundbreaking crypto is nearing its final phase. With just over a week left, investors still have a limited window to take advantage of the impressive 200% bonus offered during the first stage. At this point, 15% of the total supply, 1 billion Grok tokens, is available for early participants. It's no surprise that Grok is generating widespread interest, with nearly 50,000 investors already securing their tokens and benefiting from generous early sale bonuses. I'll be sharing even more exciting updates about Grok in an upcoming video, so make sure to check out the roadmap and stay tuned for future insights.
Altcoins I want to take a look at the charts on, but you know what? I think we got it good. We covered a lot of stuff. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Peace.